I don't know who Michael Bubble and Kelly Rowland is, but I love this song and I thought it'd be a great duet. Love the music.
I know you rise in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna be with my arms again.
And you come to me on a summer's breeze, keep me warm in your love and softly live.
And
It's me you need to show.
How deep is your love?
How deep is your love?
I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of force,
Breaking us down.
when
They all should let us be.
we
Belong to you and free. I believe in you. You noticed all the me felt so.
You're the light in my deepest, darkest
You are my stuff,
night.
you're my
savior when I fall. And you may not think that I care for you, but you know down inside that I really do. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love?
How deep is your love?
I really need to learn, 'cause
We're living in a world of force, breaking us down. When they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Think that I care for you when you know down inside that I really do.
And it's me
You need to show.
How deep is your love?
How deep is your love?
I really need to learn, 'cause
We're living in a world of force, breaking us down. When they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. Da 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 da. How deep is your love? How deep is your love?
I really need
To
to
love.
learn,
'Cause
'cause
we are living in a world
of
of force, breaking us down.
when
They all should let us be. We belong to you and me.
I belong to you. How
deep is your love?
your love?
I love this version. I'm saving this. This is a kick-ass version. Never heard it before. Thanks if anybody joins. I'm sure there will.